Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Last video we looked at how to get basic membership plan only for one vehicle. But in this video we will see how to confirm your vehicle booking washing plan. So let's see about that. And here first you need to log in with Odoo. Now log in with Odoo. Now display here your created membership plan. You can easily open it and display here your Wash membership with ID, plan, start date, with amount and this period. Now select here your vehicle. Based on selected vehicle, auto let here is license plate. Now easily write here vehicle color like a blue. Select here your preferred date, and if you want to write any special instruction related to this vehicle, then easily write here. Now confirm booking and display here your booking confirmed with order number, service, basic course, vehicle plate number and status now display only draft. If you want to another book, then easily use this book another, and if you want to view your order, then easily click on this button. And now display here your created wash order with status. Now easily open it and display as a full view. Now again go to your app and go to this operation menu and display here this old wash order. So you created wash order display here with order number, customer name, vehicle name with license plate number, vehicle is a van source on a website, service type is a basic wash, and also display here this membership plan, appointment, and in details display basic product details as a basic wash. And now the status is a draft. You can easily on this queue. So easily move in queue state and send to the mail. And easily move draft to the queue, and when you move in the queue state, then send mail to the customer. You can easily start this order. Now start your washing. So display here this inspection. You can easily open it and display here is all like wash order name, company name, check item with category, result is pending and now not score available. So first here need to pass this and display here this validation. So first must be add here this inspector. So here this inspector is big events like saying, and now you can easily pass it. So display here this when move in this past state, then overall score display here totally 100%, and also display here move in result pass and score display 100%. So here you totally completed flow with get membership plan and booked your order. Next we will see how to get membership plan for the two vehicle. We will see in the next video. Thank you.